right, so this is part 2 of 8.1. So this piece, we are looking at applications of the vectors and connecting it with trig, which is a good thing because you guys have done it before. So there are a couple connections to real life that you guys can imagine. So in navigation, heading is the direction in which, say, an airplane or a boat is steered when overcoming other forces, so wind, current. So if you think as an airplane's flying, they obviously have to take in headwind and the speed of the wind and the direction it's coming from to make sure they get to the proper spot. So we're going to be looking at that. And the relative velocity of the vessel is the resultant between the heading and the velocity. So say there's the airplane and it's going at an angle like this. There's going to be a headwind due west going at that point. So that means the airplane's actually going to end up at that resultant piece. And that's going to be the actual path of the plane. Even though they think they're going this way, the wind is pushing them, so that's the way they end up going. So that's what we're going to be looking at and focusing on. So that's coming up in the next slide, and that will provide some real-life examples.